In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook Calendar to Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where the Outlook Calendar option lives in Notion, what it takes to enable it, and how to tell if your workspace can use it. Start by opening Notion and heading to your profile menu. Look for your profile photo or initials in the corner of the app window. Click it to open the account dropdown. This is your quick access point to everything related to your account and workspace. From that menu, click on Settings. Depending on your layout, you might see Settings or Settings and Members. Either way, you're going to the place where workspace preferences and integrations are managed. This is where you control what's connected to Notion and how it behaves across your pages. Inside Settings, find the Connections section. Connections is Notion's hub for integrating external tools, so this is where apps like calendars, task managers, and communication tools are listed. It's also where you can review what's already connected and what additional options are available to you based on your plan. Next, click on Explore. This opens the full gallery of integrations that Notion supports. It's a curated list with search and filters, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. Here, you can browse, read descriptions, and learn what each connection does before you enable it. When you look for Outlook Calendar in the Explore view, you'll see a clear note about availability. Notion requires an enterprise plan to connect to Outlook Calendar. If your workspace is on a free, plus, or business plan, you'll see that this integration is restricted and you won't be able to complete the connection from here. That's by design. Outlook Calendar is gated behind enterprise features in Notion, so access depends on your organization's subscription. If your workspace already uses the enterprise plan, you can proceed from the Explore view and follow the prompts to connect through your Microsoft account, subject to your organization's policies. If you don't see that option, it likely means your plan or permissions don't include it. In that case, reach out to your workspace admin to confirm your plan level. Ask about enabling the integration or request an upgrade if it's appropriate for your team. It's also a good idea to confirm any security or compliance requirements your company has for calendar data before proceeding. That's it. You've navigated to Connections, opened the Explore gallery, and verified the requirement for Outlook Calendar. If you're on Enterprise, you're set to complete the connection. If not, you now know exactly why it's unavailable and what to ask for next.